Welcome back to my channel. This is Naja here, the head bacon in charge. Thank you guys so much for being here, returning Bacon Bit Squad members, as well as all of the new subbies that have come over to the channel. Whether you have found me through other videos, other content creators, found me on IG, saw my posts and decided to come over, I thank you guys so much for being here. I'm appreciative of all of the Bacon Bit Squad members that leave their bacon bits in the comment sections. You guys are awesome. Today we are going to be talking about my 11 streams of income that I have so far in 2024. I got this idea. I can't say that I thought of it all on my own. I got this idea from Mommy Trader. She showed and listed hers. Hers were about 20 different streams of income. She's the GOAT for that, okay? I do not have that at this time, but I am working my way up to having additional streams of income. Back in 2012, I lost my good government job that I had, and that was like a wake-up call for me because we didn't really have anything in savings. We still had bills that were going on, and I was given a 2.5-day notice with no severance. So for me, I was making good money. However, I was spending everything that I had, and I didn't have any type of savings, didn't have anything put up. And so the vacation that I was going on that next week basically turned into an extended vacation. I had to figure it out really, really quick how to bring in some extra money into the household, reconfigure the budget that we had, or the budget that we had, because we didn't really have a budget, reconfigure things, see what we needed, see what we didn't need, slash things, add things that were needed, such as extra income. And so yeah, so that started my whole journey of having extra incomes and not relying on my good job and to think that it will always be there. So with that being said, I have done quite a few things over the years in order to get extra money legally. Of course, you got to put that in there. So you just have to say it, all right? But I have acquired and done different things, and so I just want to share some things that are currently working for me right now as far as the 11 streams of income that I have. So I do feel and believe it's important, especially in this day and time with inflation, and let's just be for real, a lot of people's one job is just not cutting it, and it's just not getting it. It probably never was, but we didn't feel it like how we're feeling it right now. So it's so important that you have that extra money coming in some kind of way, something that you can do in order to be able to set yourself up along with your family and kind of ease the burden of the financial situation that you may be going through, or that you could share with somebody else. The first stream of income that I have is my day job. If you did not know, I am a teacher. This is my 5th year of teaching. I'm a technology teacher for 8th grade. I used to be a technology teacher for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade at one point in time. It was just way too much going on with that. So this year I was a technology teacher for 8th grade. I also had one class that was a 12th grade class, which I actually taught financial literacy as well as lifetime nutrition wellness. They were so chill. The 12th graders, you know, they're just ready to get up out of there. You know what I'm saying? It was not pulling teeth like how it was with the 8th graders that I had, you know, in order to do assignments, do work, and all of those things. So that was like a nice break in the day, but I am ready to get back to being with 8th grade. So that is my first stream of income that I have. The second stream of income, which I will be adding on, which I do have the products in order to not ship them off, but to take them where they need to go, is recycling. All right, recycling. I have accumulated over the last couple of months 2 big large trash bags full of aluminum cans. Right now they're sitting outside on the side of my house, but I will be recycling those to get some money back. How much I get back, I have no idea, but I figure whatever it is extra, and it's going to go towards my boys' investment accounts that they have with Fidelity. So it's all good, right? Next, I have dividend income. That's the third stream. And that comes from the ETFs, the stocks that I have with the different platforms where I am investing and saving money. So that would be Vanguard, Fidelity, just got rid of M1 Finance, Fundrise, which I don't think I've really made like any type of dividends from them just yet, because we're just now starting out in the real estate market. I am a firm believer in dividend income. That's like passive income. That's just money that's making you money and it's coming in. I do reinvest my dividends, so I don't pull them out at all. I don't need that money right now. So dividend income is really, really good to have as a third stream of income. The fourth stream of income that I have is interest income. Now, interest income comes from not me having to pay someone, but someone paying me. So Marcus Goldman Sachs, which is my high yield savings account. Right now I'm averaging almost about $50 per month that I'm receiving from Marcus Goldman Sachs just from having my money parked there, sitting there, chilling there. I do have regular savings accounts as well, but we know those don't really give like a whole lot of payments to you. Number 5 for stream of income that I have is cashback rewards. I do have a credit card. I'm not advocating for anybody to go out and run and grab a credit card, because I've seen where some people, they have been attacked in their comment section. Don't come for me. I'm telling you right now. I'm not telling anybody to go out and go get a credit card. Let me just put that out there. Sometimes you just got to say it before it even happens. I'm not telling anybody to go out and go grab a credit card. I say if you use a credit card, use it responsibly. And I would say for me, I have it as a backup just in case if needed. That's just my personal preference. You do what you feel that you need to do regarding that. I do love the cashback and the rewards that I get from that. I have in the past, and still doing it to this day, I have like $91 that I can go ahead and cash in right now on my one credit card. But I get the cashback and the rewards, and I apply that towards my vacation fund because that's pretty much money back. Next, we have Amazon affiliate link. I am an Amazon affiliate. Had the account for probably like a year. I haven't got paid from it just yet. I do list in my description box several things that I have purchased from Amazon and things that I enjoy and that I like and that I think that you all may be interested in. So if you happen to use one of my links in the description box or one that I put to the pinned comment, if you ever see one, it's more than likely an affiliate link, and I will receive some type of small kickback percentage, whatever it is, from whatever it is that you purchase. I do greatly appreciate it. I'm not up to the $10 just yet in order to be able to cash out for that, but I am an Amazon affiliate. I believe I have about $4, maybe almost close to $5 in there. So we'll just see as it continues to build and grow, but that is an additional source of income. It would be sponsorships for number 7. I have done a few sponsorships here on my channel for some lighting that I was sent and I was asked to review for monetary purposes and also to give my honest review of them. It was 2 separate different lights. Lighting came right on time because I was looking to upgrade some lighting for our home. And actually I'm going to talk about the lighting that they sent me, the motion sensor lights that they sent me for outside of my home. They have held up through 70-mile-per-hour winds and they are still intact. That's all I'm going to say for right now. But yes, the sponsorships I have done, and those have been very nice to get those, even as a small YouTube channel. Number 8 would be referral income, and that comes from the apps and the websites that I share here on my channel. Every month I share about the apps and websites that I use in order to get money for myself as well as my family, and also for my vacation travel, which is number 9. Okay, apps and websites. And so whenever you use my link, someone else's links, we receive something from that as well as you. So it could be points, it could be cash. Recently had someone or 2 people in April sign up through my Receipt Hog link, so thank you so much for that. It doesn't really tell me who it was. And then in February I had someone that signed up through my Dosh link that's in my description box. They received $10 and I received $10, and I was able to go ahead and cash out. So that was actually pretty cool. So yes, apps and websites that I use, any one of them that I talk about in on my channel and in my videos, I have used them for quite some time and I have vetted them. I have had no issues with them, no issues getting paid. I would definitely not recommend something to you guys if it was not working for me. Like the Receipt Hog app, I've used that since like 2014. That's pretty much like 10 years that I have used that app, and they have been around. I've never had any issues with them. And so yeah, very, very grateful for the apps and the websites that I've been able to use in order to gain extra money as extra streams of income. Next one is research studies. This by far has been the most lucrative way that I have been able to get extra income. And it is basically me trying out products, giving my full opinion of them, whether it's good or bad, filling out a survey, or surveys I should say, for a certain amount of time, and then I get paid. So the least amount that I have been paid for something, and the products, if you're interested, the products that I have basically reviewed have been hair dye, body oil, facial, skin cream, shampoo and conditioners. So shampoo and conditioners are pretty big. And then also there's been buy me a coffee. And that's what I have listed here on my webpage. Instead of it being buy me a coffee, it's buy me a Chick-fil-A. Because if you know, you know that I love Chick-fil-A, and I'm there, I hate to say it, almost like once a week. I try not to be there once a week, but I'm there like once a week. I have accumulated a lot of points for them, which I get free food and all of that stuff. But, you know, I'm trying to watch the waistline. But when I do go there lately, I've been getting their salad, which I love their market salad. But yes, I have the buy me a coffee, which is, I do love coffee, but I'm trying to scale back on that for health reasons and such. But I do put on my buy me a coffee website, buy me a Chick-fil-A. So I do have that in my description box. These are my 11 streams of income that I have so far in 2024. I am looking at adding on a few more streams. So far, these things are working for me. So I would say with any stream of income that you have, it's almost like trial and error. You have to figure out what works for you, what fits best with your schedule. These things fit best with my schedule because I can do these from home. I don't have to be out anywhere. A lot of these are passive income. Obviously, I have to go to my day job, you know, but other things are passive income where I can do them from the comfort of my home, sitting at home on my couch, such as the apps, the website, scanning receipts, such as that nature. And it doesn't take a lot of guesswork. It's really mindless work that I'm doing. The research studies, I can do them from home. I just go pick up the product and then I can go pick up my money afterwards, or they can PayPal, Venmo me the money if I don't want to go up there. And so, yeah, you just have to find what works for you and just see what streams of income that you can do that you feel comfortable with and that works with your schedule. So these are mine. Let me know what yours are in the comment section. Hopefully this gives you some type of ideas. If you want me to go more in depth with this, I can and I will. Just let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, I hope this gives you some ideas and just some things to think about when it comes to having multiple streams of income, especially with this day and age and time, because I know for me, my regular check is just not going to get it. All right, guys, until the next video, bye.